I'm excited to introduce you to the Costway Portable Air Conditioner, a must-have for your home. This sleek and efficient air conditioner is perfect for any room in your house. With its remote control, 24-hour timer, and window venting kit, this air conditioner is a breeze to operate.
The window venting kit ensures that your room stays cool and comfortable.
This air conditioner also features a sleep mode, which automatically adjusts the temperature and fan speed to provide the perfect environment for a good night's sleep. So if you're looking to upgrade your home's cooling system, the Costway Portable Air Conditioner is a fantastic choice.